But I wonder how you would assess just the general sort of supply-demand outlook. What's already baked into the market? Where are we in the cycle?
Yeah, thanks for having me on, Mike. So just briefly on the semi group, I think underlying trends are very positive. Demand trends are very positive. There's still supply chain constraints, but we are saying after pretty strong 2020, 2021, we'll be more selective on the semi names. Especially, we think auto industrial, some of the auto industrial names are starting to peak. We are seeing backlog starting to peak. Backlog orders are peaking. Pricing is at a peak here. And as Rick just mentioned, some of the PMI numbers for the Chicago PMI just came in weaker. And we are seeing some of the global trends, or just the momentum on the auto industrial side start to slow down a little bit. So we would be more positive on some of the 5G handset side, like the Qualcomm, Avago, etc., where we see much stronger growth into the back half, especially with Apple launches coming up here, but also going into 2022 as well. So definitely a little bit more conservative on the auto industrial side. We would try to move more into the 5G handset side. Even some of the memory names that have really taken a backseat in the last couple of months. So.
And on the auto and industrial side, where does that take you in terms of the stocks that you think are not as well positioned right now?
Yeah, we do think when you look at names like NXPI Microchip, they've executed very well. They obviously reflect a lot of the recovery from the pandemic. But you're starting to see things start to soften a little bit, especially in China. You saw some of the PMI numbers. The U.S. also start to weaken. And so we think the leading indicator is orders. That backlog orders are starting to slow down a little bit. So that we did take down NXPI Microchip more to neutral. We will be more positive on names like on Semiconductor and Allegro, where there is massive tailwind with electric vehicles and autonomous, which position those two names well. I'd also point out NXPI, for example, had some insider selling yesterday. Both the CEO and CFO selling some stocks. So looks like, obviously that's being reflected through some of those inside sales as well. So.